Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Ibrahim with us from Soul Planet. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, can you just let us know about Soul Planet, like how and when it came into the solar industry and serving from how long in the solar industry itself?
Yeah, I'll be very happy to introduce about Soul Planet. Soul Planet is a brand of Aishwai, which is Aishwai is formerly known as SMS Chinese subsidiary. Aishwai, as a company, we incorporated in 2007 under the name of ZOF. And then in 2011, we incorporated a company called Zever Solar to do research and development in string inverter technology. And then the journey starts, and then we have built brands like Zever Solar and many others to international market. From 2020 onward, like 2019 to 2020 onwards, we have started introducing Soul Planet brand for global market, and we have done remarkable job in global ranking. Like as on today, we are globally 6th rank on the inverter shipments in 2023, and this development is within 3 years of span, and we have acquired almost 4% of global market share.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about the product ranges of Soul Planet, so if you can share that as well.
Yes, as required to give a complete solution to our Indian residential consumers, CNI consumers and utility, we do have all the ranges available with us. We have a smallest inverter which is at a capacity of 1 kilowatt in a single phase up to 10 kilowatt single phase capacity that is being used for residential customers. Apart from that, we do have 3 kilowatt capacity inverter in 3 phase, which is the smallest one, and up to that we have a highest capacity of 110 kilowatt CNI inverter. So the inverter portfolio that caters to entire residential segment consumers, apart from that commercial and industrial consumers as well as utility consumers. So this is how our portfolio built in. Apart from that, we believe that Soul Planet believes that solar is for everybody. So we are not focused only on on-grid inverter segment. We are developing a product like EV chargers for e-mobility industry. We have heat pumps for the cold areas where people would like to use that as an heat for heating applications. And then we do have battery storage systems as well in hybrid inverter segment. So put together, when we talk about an inverter technology to convert green energy, like convert energy from the sun to the electricity, we do have entire portfolio with us.
That's great. Sir, as you have just shared the product ranges, so if you can just give a light on its distribution, like what are the strategies and what are the target for this year 2024 and for 2025?
That's a great question. And in fact, we are focused on developing Indian market very aggressively. Thus, we have created our infrastructure which is required for Indian market. Before I move to that, I would like to emphasize more on the infrastructure what we would like to build. We want to offer hotline service to our Indian customers where they can seamlessly connect to our service people to get the after sales service support, which is the backbone of the industry, like backbone of the company, and then their customer can have a better satisfaction. We got EUPD award from the EUPD for the better customer satisfaction for the European region and MENA region, and we would like to continue those kind of legacies in Indian market as well. So we have developed hotline service for Indian market for after sale service. Apart from that, we have a local service engineers who can support to the Indian clients. With all this infrastructure, we are aiming to position ourselves in consumer like CNI segment, commercial and industrial segment and utility segment. We look forward to have at least 2 to 3 gigawatt worth portfolio within next 2 years of span. Yeah.
That's great. And if we talk about like what's your expectation from the industry stakeholders, if you can just light it on.
Yeah, this is a good question. In fact, there are a lot of policies which are unclear from the ministries related to the imports of the inverter. Of course, when we talk about finished goods, definitely there are fixed tariffs which has been defined by the government. But yes, when someone want to come under Make in India concept for manufacturing inverter locally, if there are some relaxation which can be extended to them, we will have much more business in these terms. So I feel that we should work towards that. Apart from that, when we are talking to have Make in India, promoting Indian product, probably in that case also government needs to clearly define our policies and give some leeway in terms of production facilities, but at the same time they should give clear instructions on having a proper infrastructure to for testing of the inverters, because as on today I have seen that a lot of local partners who are manufacturing in India, they don't have a right facility or right infrastructure for testing of the inverter before it dispatches to the client. So these kind of things can actually actually reduce the demotivate to the client if it doesn't perform in the market. So that's how I feel that there are a lot of things to do, and I believe we get all the support from the government. Thanks so much for that.
Sir, if we talk about this REI 2024 that is happening, so any new launches that Soul Planet has come up with that our viewers want to know?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Thank you so much for this question. We have very wonderful news for Indian client. We have developed a product which is for utility segment, and all the utility projects which are happening in India, especially a Kusum scheme where client want to have higher capacity inverter for their ground mount projects. Definitely this is the one, 350 kilowatt capacity inverter from Soul Planet. And the best of the best technology, what I can say is that it has a very robust technology in this. When we talk about technology, we use DSP dual core technology with Watchdog, which is actually reliable in terms of technology, and it reduces the hardware failure. Because when we talk about a utility segment, definitely we talk about LCOE, levelized cost of the energy, and if the inverter, PV module or any such BOS component, if the plant is installed at a very good quality installation practices, good quality product, it will last long and it will give you better LCOE. We believe that we are providing a reliable product for the Indian consumers. Yeah. So we have developed this product to make sure that we support to our utility customers, and then here we are coming up with MV station as well, which has a transformer inbuilt and LT panel to support, and we can form a cluster of 6 megawatt capacity. We are aiming, our focus is to support to our clients who want to go under Kusum Yojana, and for that we are ready to support with 5 years of factory warranty, which can be extended to another 10 or 15 years of inverter life. So this is how we have positioned our product. The product comes with full action-packed features and benefits, like it has AFCI function, arc fault function, it has anti-PID solution, it has 24/7 monitoring SPS function, it has shade soul technology, because normally what happens, like for utility segment, when we talk about operation and maintenance, it takes a lot of cost, and during this operation and maintenance, probably when we talk about module cleaning, a turn of module cleaning comes after 4 or 5 days. During those 4 or 5 days, again the dust will accumulate, and that will impact on the energy generation. Our Soul Planet inverter will actually enhance the inverter's string current capacity, and it reduces the energy losses. By this way, you will get a better energy, more energy compared to any other computers in market, and you will have better yield out of that. So that's how Soul Planet is positioned.
That's great, sir. Like, after listening the technology and how it is usable and beneficial for the customers, so no doubt our viewers want to know, like, if you can share the pricing roadmap as well.
Pricing roadmap, yes. See, prices are very competitive in terms of supply, support, and service. What we want to give is, we want to give a premium experience to our client at a better pricing, because the technology what we are using are very robust and reliable, because we are using high-tech technologies, but at the same time we don't want our customer to feel, so our prices are much better compared to the Indian tier 1 inverter suppliers, and we make sure that our clients will be happy for pricing.
That's good, sir. And if we talk about, like, this is the launch of your Soul Planet, so is, like, by when we can see in the market, or like it will be happening in 2024 itself, or in 2025 we'll be able to?
I'm very happy to inform you that to all our Indian clients that our industry partners keep trust on Soul Planet brand. On the day of launch itself, we have got a 0.5 gigawatt plus order in hand, and we'll be happy to supply this product readily starting from next 2 months onwards. From December onwards, the product will apply for Indian market. So very soon the product will be on field to test. People can come and check the product quality, and then they can believe the product.
That's great, sir, and we wish all the luck and all the best for your future ahead for 2024 and the coming years as well. Thanks a lot for being with us, sir. Thanks a lot.
So much. Thank you so much, audience. Thank you so much, EQ.
Sir.